Oh no, I shot an Ninja. Oh, he's dead now. Not really.
So hey. Bye. Just kidding. So hey, Santa Joe here, and today is the 19th of December. We're getting so close. Let's get into the 19th pack.
It's raining Pokemon cards.
I guess we're doing this pack, and tomorrow doing this.
Yes.
I'll keep that aside.
Let's just do it. GX. Not yet.
So put these two back in.
Ow, I was sitting on a gun.
This one, these two are for tomorrow.
It's getting a little bit light in there now.
These two are for tomorrow,
Okay.
and this one is for today.
Should we put those in a weird way then, like that,
Yeah.
sideways?
So get into the 19th pack. Hopefully you can get another GX. I'm not going to fill texture this time, just in case.
I'll just film it like this while you open them.
I don't think I saw shine.
Oh look,
That evolves into that.
Mankey. Is it Mankey?
Yep.
Mankini. Oh, getting excited. What is it? Ah, is that it?
Mhm.
What? Oh, there's cards everywhere. That's what we got for day number 19.
I just want
A rather angry-looking Jigglypuff with a turd on his head.
a
Pink turd. No wonder he's angry. Look at that.
Okay. So, hope you enjoyed the video, and make sure to slice and dice that like button like a true ninja, and
Subscribe if you're new
around here, and hit that notification bell button so you get notified whenever a new video comes out.
Yeah.
So I'll see you in the next video. We are Hua.